When using the Photo Declutter tool, you can take advantage of quick filters to help you find bad photos more quickly, as well as narrow your focus. Just tap the Quick Filters button if it's not open. Now, if you enter the Photo Declutter tool while browsing a folder, that folder is automatically added as a quick filter. Additionally, though, you can use other quick filters to make it easier to find things. For example, I can go in and narrow my focus here to just the month of July for this year. And with just a tap, my library is updated to really show me fewer images. Then I can adjust the slider here to look at a wider range of time. Now, I'm seeing pictures that I took while on a trip to Seattle that are fairly similar. In this case, I have a lot of photos that overlap. So what I can do is start to clean these up a bit. Additionally, you could take a look at other properties. If you go here under some of the additional options, you'll find Smart Tags. And for example, take a look at Visual Properties, where you'll find the option to look for blurry photos, underexposed photos, and other issues. So I can mark just the photos that are a bit dark. In this case, it feels like all my exposure was correct, so I don't have to worry about that problem. But what about ones that are blurry? Remember, you can adjust the threshold for these by clicking on the gear icon and decide if you want to see more or less matches to increase the tolerance. Now, I'm going to remove the July threshold, but do take a look here in my To Organize folder and see what pops up. And I see that I do have some photos that are indeed blurry that could be cleaned up. In this case, I'd already marked them as rejects, but it looks like I forgot to delete them. Well, with just a tap, I can review. They're dimmed here because I had marked them as rejects, but this is a good reminder to clean those up. I can click and mark. And they're updated. Here I have a few others that are a little bit blurry as well. Let's tap. And that is a bit soft focused. As I zoom in, I see that's not a very sharp photo. So I can mark these and decide that they all actually do need cleaning up. I know that I shot better versions of that. By taking advantage of some of these AI filters, you can find pictures that are underexposed, overexposed, blurry, or go into the person category and look for options like smiling, not smiling, eyes open, eyes closed. All of these are useful criteria for further nominating some of the pictures that might be cluttering up your photo library that aren't so great. And this will help you have a better presentation when you go viewing your photos and free up some disk space.